plus 99.
Can you go with me or not?
Go ahead.
They're pretty cool.
Marty, hang on, let me find you. Get going. Plus 99. Yep. Well, then you go to the back of the line.
We're going to state!
Hi, I'm so excited about this. Mr. Roberts, oh, I'm sorry.
That's all right.
Woohoo!
Aha!
Just sit there.
Oh, layups up, partially blocked. Good defense. Off to Jarnigo. He drives into the paint. Feeds it nicely down low. Layups good. Caleb Gardner. Wilkie drives in the paint. Layups up and good. Tie game at 4 with 5 to get it. Now Jarnigo. 18-footer is good. Nice shot by Jake from the
dribble and then feeding into the low post.
Jake pulls up, hits the jumper from the free throw line. 12-8. Sam Keel three-pointer from the right wing.
Let's go White! Let's go White! Let's go White!
Wilkie dribbles in, drives, layups up and good. No rebound, and Lakeside gets it back. Keel, top of the key, three-pointer, yes! Book it.
That's a huge basket for Lakeside now.
24-19, they're back within 5. Into the front court, Peterson streaking. Now he pulls it back to the right wing, and ball stripped away by Stels. He picks it up to Lanham. Big turnover forced there by Kyle Stels. Here's Keel with it. Keel passes off to Stels. Stels drives the right post, layups up and good. Into the front court, feeds it to Schmidt, down low to Lanham. Lanham up and high off the glass and good. Wilkie back to Jarnigo, long three-pointer, yes! All right. Now down low, Stels, easy layup and a big basket there. They needed that. Ball stolen away. 3 seconds to go. Drives into the paint, no look pass to Gardner, up off the glass and good. Redevelop drills them both. Wilkie again with it now, drives into the paint, driving, layup, good, and one. Redevelop with the basketball, passes off to Keel. Keel in the paint, fadeaway jumper's good. Sam Keel, nice shot. Inside, as we mentioned, capable of scoring. Here's Jarnigo, tips it away. Jake tracks it down. Jake on the break. Jarnigo, spin move, all pretty move, flips it up and drops it in. Spun on the right side and just flipped it up off the rim. Up as Ancius puts up a shot blocked away. Offensive foul on Aquinas. Klug hits them both. Time on the floor.